Snowstorm, shoveling, and what we did and ate in late January in a countryside. Breakfast was a power-packed affair: 2 mochis, a hearty bowl of tofu miso soup, fried eggs, and a cup of yogurt with kinnacco powder. Fueling up for the snow challenge. Today kicked off with another round of snow shoveling thanks to a 5-day snowstorm. I found myself tending to the snow twice each day. This morning, I had to conquer the roof too, as it was heavily loaded with snow. Up on the roof, down to the ground, feeling like a macho man. Snowstorms mean cozy indoor days. We whip up dishes that last, fix things around the house with care, dive a little deeper into newspapers, or simply indulge in some television time. This is what she cooked this afternoon. Our dinner today included fried fish, a veggie delight, steamed broccoli, and pumpkin, topped off with sweet beans for dessert. And of course, and to cap off our evening, a gentle sip of sake. Here's to a day filled with snow and warmth.